Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add an outline around images in Premiere Pro. First, you would need a transparent image of the subject you want to outline and add it to your timeline as well. So I'm going to drag my transparent image to my timeline, add the layer at the top. After that, let's go to Effects and search for Paint Bucket. Let's drag this effect to our transparent image. Let's go to Effect Controls, scroll down, and let's change this color to white and just drag this one to select the color white and click on OK. After that, for the fill selector, you're going to change this one to alpha channel. And for the stroke, you're going to change this one to stroke. And as you can see, your subject should be outlined by now, and you can then adjust the stroke width as you prefer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.